What's up, guys? We are on tonight's agenda. We're going right now, about to get the car washed. Then we're gonna go down to the avenue, get something to eat
And drinks.
and drinks. And then we're gonna try to do a cinematic video, make a cinematic video of the EVO. And then tomorrow morning, we're going to Cars and Coffee in Hunt Valley, or Hunt Valley Horsepower. And
But sadly, it's raining right now.
it is raining.
We can't even twist it.
Yeah, it's nice. Whenever you have plans in Maryland, whenever you think you have something fully planned out, it's like a really good idea, just cancel it because you live in Maryland.
Well, hopefully it doesn't rain tomorrow morning.
Yeah, we can hope so.
Not supposed to. Jesus.
Oh, hey. Hey. God damn. What? What? Say it again.
That's it for today's video.
So we've never done a vlog or anything like that. We're trying to get into this stuff because we both love cars and love the car scene, even though the car scene up our way isn't the best, but it kind of just, it is what it is. Try to do what you can. We've never done a vlog or anything like that, so if you like and subscribe. There will be plenty more to come. We just got a camera that we're going to use. We have a GoPro. Most of this was shot on my phone, actually, especially because of the weather. The weather kind of screwed up a bunch of our plans. We had to
No Hunt Valley party.
no Hunt Valley. Yeah, we stayed out a little bit later than we wanted to. Got back late, so we were.
Take a shit, dude.
Dude, it's Riley. It's Rye.
Right.
Fry. So, if you like that video, like and subscribe. There will be plenty more where that came from. We're gonna try to get better. We just got new editing software and all kinds of stuff. So we'll see how this goes.
Bye.
Peace out. Deuces.